In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a workspace or board in monday.com. To get started, open monday.com and sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area where you want to add the person. This could be a specific workspace or an individual board, depending on the level of access you want them to have. If you're inviting someone to collaborate on a project, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right location before sending the invitation, so they'll immediately have access to the content you intend to share. Next, go to the workspace or board where you want to add them. The layout in monday.com is usually very straightforward, so once you're inside the correct section, look for the option that says Invite Members. This is the button you'll use to begin adding someone new. When the invite window opens, type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the address is entered correctly, because this is where the invitation will be sent. A small typo can prevent the person from receiving access, so it's worth taking an extra second to verify it before moving on. After entering the email address, you'll need to choose the type of access this person should have. Monday.com typically gives you options such as member, viewer, or guest. A member usually has broader access to collaborate and make changes. A viewer is better for someone who only needs to see information without editing it. And a guest is often used for external collaborators who should only access specific shared content. Choose the role that best fits what this person needs to do. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, go ahead and send the invite. Monday.com will then deliver the invitation to the email address you entered. At this point, your part is mostly done. The final step is to wait for the person to accept the invitation and join. They'll need to open the invite from their email and follow the prompts to gain access. If they don't appear right away, give it a little time, and if needed, you can always confirm that the invitation was sent to the correct address. And that's it. That's how you invite someone to a workspace or board in monday.com quickly and correctly.